everybody! Today on Make Your Mark, we are making the cutest Christmas tags with my friends at Gel Press. Now this is a project the entire family can get in on, so get everyone together and make your Christmas tags with a gel press. Super easy. All you need is a little bit of acrylic paint. I made the stencil with a takeout container lid and the back of a paintbrush to make little dots on your Christmas tree to represent ornaments. Are you ready? Let's jump in. For this project, I'm using the 6x6 gel press. The first thing I'm going to do is make a Christmas tree stencil with the lid of a plastic takeout container. I also have some leftover plastic film from a t-shirt iron-on that I'm going to use for a stencil. Whatever you have, you can use for a stencil. You can even use some cardstock. Add some green to the gel press and distribute. Quickly and carefully add some texture to the paint with a plastic fork. Make sure not to puncture the gel press. I'm trying to replicate pine needles in the shape of a tree. Place the stencil on top, then press and pull some white cardstock. Since these are going to be used for tags and cards, you'll want to make a few. Now because I'm a color fanatic, try making trees with tons of different colors. Just load the gel press with paint and distribute across the plate with a brayer. Add the texture with a fork. Add the stencil, press, and pull. It's that easy. Okay, one more simple stencil. Add green to the gel press, cut out a big circular hole in some plastic, and cut a small circle. Place on the gel press to make a simple wreath. There are a couple of ways to add ornaments to the tree. You can stencil them on the trees with a polka dot stencil, or you can just add paint dots with the end of a paintbrush. It's up to you. I'm mixing both together. Everyone loves something handmade for the holidays. Have fun! I'm gonna leave a link for everything in this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And if you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, take a look at my Patreon page. I'll leave a link for that below as well. Thanks for hanging out with me on Make Your Mark. I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.